We'll guide you through how to make text stroke in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because adding a text stroke is a basic yet powerful design technique in Adobe Illustrator. It helps make text stand out, improves readability, and creates professional-looking designs. Beginners especially look for clear steps to understand how to apply strokes correctly and enhance their typography skills. Open your Illustrator application. Choose File on the menu bar, then click New. Pick your preferred preset size and click Create. To start typing your text, go to the toolbar and select the Text tool. Left-click on your canvas, then type your desired text. After finishing your text, go to the Properties panel and select a font type that suits your design. It is recommended to choose a bold font, so the stroke will be more visible and clear. Once you have chosen the font style, adjust the text size to fit your canvas appropriately. Next, convert the text into point text by double-clicking the small dot on the text box. Then, locate the fill option on the panel and disable the text fill if necessary to emphasize the stroke effect. After that, choose the stroke option and enable it by selecting a color that you prefer. Set the stroke size by increasing its value until it becomes clearly visible around the text. At this stage, your text will appear as stroke text with a defined outline. To improve the overall look, experiment with different combinations of colors and fonts to see what works best for your design. Adjust the stroke size again to make it more proportional to the selected font style, ensuring the outline complements the text without overpowering it. If the outline appears uneven or too thick in certain areas, reduce the stroke weight slightly until it looks balanced. You can also experiment with stroke alignment options such as inside, outside, or center to achieve different visual effects. Additionally, consider adjusting the spacing between letters so the stroke does not overlap awkwardly. If needed, reposition your text on the canvas to improve composition and readability. Take your time to compare variations and select the version that best matches your intended style.